Ka Meghalaya Model United Nations ka bari ka kanhon ki samla puli ka than ka biya sno bat ka United Nations ka bapun kup boru ki samla bon wanra jingkelah ka imlang sa lang klam daklet ka Mei Mariang ha ka khatwai tarik nailar arja arpulai ka lapli perdaya ka Meghalaya Model United Nations Conference ka basau ka balapun long ha school ba North Eastern Hill University. Hagani jingelang lawan banya shimbenta dau chairman ka Meghalaya State Planning Board uba Metbah lingdo kumukongsan haringkat ka jingadon lang u Dr. Jamino Mautho u Professor ka Department Geography ka School ba Nihu Professor Dikin Nayak ki dekot ka Model United Nations ki samla puli na ki college pope jongganong ba bat kiwe haba ai jingkran na kalyang ba Metbah uloong ban puli kam don jingkhang bat tang ki bre ki sngewthuh ya kata kin poi se ka thong bat ki samla menta kin long ki paya na ka menta ka lawai jongki ka banwan.
In this generation of internet, there are champions who transform a life from poverty into a meaningful and flourishing life. I'm sure youth of this generation can truly disrupt the status quo if they leverage on the wealth of opportunities internet and technology that has created for them. And you won't grow. That's why the pace of change is unbelievably very, very fast. We are in an artificial intelligence. All of you are very much well informed about all this new technology and the technology revolution, where new developments and innovation can change our industry overnight. Disruption needs to be preemptive. You must plan to change before you are forced to change, because then it's too late. Make the new decade before your starting point foundation. Existing of successful approaches should not hinder evolutionary thinking of strategies for change. In closing, I am inspired by each and every one of you. Your presence here is a testament to your commitment to bettering the world we inhabit today. Most of the time, we look up to others. But your presence today, as pointed out by your President Bameshwa, that we have to act. We are no longer in a situation that we have to wait or suggest others to act. We have to act. But when the youth act, the impact is always there.
Let us cultivate a culture of active listening, empathy, and cooperation. Through this, we will transcend ideological boundaries and work towards consensus that reflects a collective wisdom of this assembly. Every resolution passed, every alliance forged is a step towards a total world that we envision. Together, let's create a tapestry of solutions that will reflect our commitment to a better tomorrow, more united and more upfront. In the spirit of collaboration and progress, with much enthusiasm, I now, the Secretary General, Catherine Nongkunri, for the second time of Meghalaya Model United Nations, declare the conference open. Thank you so much.
I'm here to give the vote of thanks to all of the people present here today. My special vote of thanks would definitely go to the faculties of the Law Department. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir, for allowing us to use your department, and also the other faculties of NEHU as well. It's a great joy to have this opportunity to thank the guest speakers, the chief guests, the plenary guest speakers, our also our members who are at high value as well.